Scanias have got a reputation for longevity, but today I've been invited to Regent Street to have a go in this incredible 1903 Vabis.
We are here today because we have got an opportunity to put an old unique car in a roadworthy condition. It's a Swedish car and it's owned by a community in Surahammar in Sweden, and we are a member of a veteran car club, and we offer the community to restore the car.
The community of Surahammar own it, and we borrowed it for 3 years ago, and we done it, and now we are here.
My name is Tobias Nordlander, and I'm a politician from Surahammar. It is the very first vehicle that was built, and we are proud it was built in Surahammar.
I think we are the only people in the world who know how to handle this unique Vabis one-off car.
Yeah, we are very happy, and we will go to Brighton. We managed.
Mind your backs, please. Car coming through.